When you sign up with Whiteboard, you're given two options, and we want to be as transparent with you as possible as to what it costs. The first option is the annual pricing model. That's $9.49 for the CRM, which equates to about $79 and some change per month, along with a $2.99 setup fee. The second option is the monthly option. It's $99 for the CRM and $3.99 for the setup fee. We offer a bit of a discount for our annual customers who commit to a full year to us, and that's the reason in the difference in pricing. The second question we get, does texting cost extra? Well, yes, texting is an additive feature at Whiteboard, and once again there are two models you can pay for it. One being the annual model, which is $33 and some change a month when it's prorated out, or $3.99 up front, or the monthly option, which is $49 a month. Now, I do want to be perfectly clear here. We only need one texting license per team. So think of that as per loan officer. Each loan officer assistant, processor, whoever would need to have access to Whiteboard could use that same texting line. Well, the reason for that setup fee really is for both of our successes. We want to be sure that we can work with you in a one-to-one manner, not only with building your office, but also setting up your custom environment with connections to third-party resources and getting your data into the system so that you can effectively use the product. And in doing so, we're not just going to send you a bunch of videos, tech tips, or pamphlets on how to use the system. We're going to make it very relational. We believe that you interact with your customers on a relationship basis, and we're going to do the same for you. So when you start, you're going to get an implementation specialist who's going to build your custom office, get your data in, and then we're going to progress you into coaching. And then coaching, our customer success manager is going to hold your hand one-to-one and show you exactly what Whiteboard can offer you to make your life easier in your journey through the use of a CRM. You may want some specialized customization or some specialized reports that are specific to you and your office. And in that case, there may be a small professional fee associated with it. Each subscription starts with our implementation team building your customized office, whether that be your headshot, your email address, your website, your 1003 link. We're going to build all that for you. Then we're going to work with you on getting all your data into the system. Then you're going to get assigned a customer success coach, and what they're going to do is work with you and show you how to use the over 100 automated campaigns built in our mortgage playbook so that you can effectively communicate with your customers and partners and save yourself some time. The first way that I've already alluded to is an annual subscription, but we've also worked with some partners such as Nexa, Next Level Loan Officers, and CMA, and in those affiliations they do come with a discount. The one thing that we do try to do for you at Whiteboard is provide for you everything that we possibly can up front with no hidden costs and no hidden fees. Another question we're often asked is, how many licenses of Whiteboard should I get? Well, that's truly up to you to decide, as we're not going to limit the number of people that can log in on your logins. You just won't be able to log in on two systems at one time. However, when you have multiple licenses of Whiteboard, and anybody who is controlling or monitoring communication with your customers or partners, it makes your life a lot easier. It gives you the opportunity to not only delegate tasks to, let's say, an LOA or a processor, but it also allows them to communicate with their own text signature and email signature. So truly, the decision is up to you.